Hi guys, welcome back to Shami Eats and Treats. Click on that subscribe button and get ready because today we'll be making kibbe bil'adas. In a bowl we'll be adding a half of a cup of fine burgle, a half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, After combining the dry ingredients a bit, we'll add 1/4 of a cup of water. I find it best to use a glove while mixing this together. If you look at the consistency here, you don't want it too sticky nor too dry. Now the fun part, we're going to make little balls. This is kind of like little dumplings for our soup. Now we'll get our soup base ready. We'll have 1 cup of brown lentils that are washed and drained. Then we'll add 8 cups of water. Put that on the fire and let it simmer to get our lentils nice and soft. Now to add some flavor to our soup, we'll take 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to crush the garlic. Here we'll add 1/4 of a teaspoon of harissa or red pepper paste. And 1 tablespoon of dried coriander. Now let's saute our garlic mixture in 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of butter. Once our lentils are simmered and nice and soft, let's put everything together. First we'll add our garlic mixture to the boiled lentils. Now using a hand blender, let's blend it until nice and smooth. Now let's add our balls or our little dumplings that we made. Now we'll add 1/4 of a cup of dibis rumman, which is pomegranate molasses. Let's cover and simmer for about 20 minutes to get those little dumplings nice and soft. We usually enjoy this dish with some cabbage or Arabic style pickled cucumbers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and even more, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, comment, and be sure to subscribe for more recipes. Comment down below and let me know what recipe you want to hear next.